Standard 9, Subject Geography, Lesson number 7, International Date Line. In this lesson, we are going to learn about standard time of various countries, need of international date line, and importance of international date line. First of all, we'll try to understand standard time. World standard time is determined by 0 degree meridian or prime meridian. Since this prime meridian passes through Greenwich, this time is also known as Greenwich Mean Time or GMT. Indian Standard Time is determined by IST. There is difference of 5 hours and 30 minutes between the GMT and IST. Indian Standard Time is ahead of GMT. It is also mentioned as plus 5.30 hours. As a result, when it is 9 am at the prime meridian, it is 2:30 pm, that is 14:30 hours in India. Likewise, every country has a different standard time. India welcomed the new year 2017 at 00 hours on Sunday at midnight of Saturday, 31st December 2016. Countries located to east of India had already celebrated the beginning of New Year before India. However, in countries located to the west of India, New Year began quite late when compared to India. Different countries have celebrated the beginning of New Year either ahead or later than India. Just you think why it has happened so. So it is because of the international date line. Now we will try to understand what was the need of international date line. Man had studied the natural phenomena like rotation, revolution, and developed the chronometer system for this purpose. Earth completes one rotation in 24 hours. Earth rotates eastward, therefore, eastern part of the earth is always ahead of western part. When it is exactly noon, for example 12 o'clock afternoon on Greenwich time is ahead by 2 hours at every 30-degree latitude to the east of Greenwich. Same time. It is 2 hours behind the Greenwich time at every 30-degree latitude to the west of the Greenwich time. As a result of this ahead or behind timing, when it is Sunday noon at Greenwich time, Sunday is just beginning to the east of 180-degree meridian, and it is end of Sunday in the west of 180-degree meridian. It creates a difference of almost a day or 24 hours between the timing in the east and west of 180-degree meridian. International date line is decided to overcome the confusion of 24 hours. Now we will try to understand what is international date line. It is an imaginary line drawn to the opposite of Greenwich prime meridian. For example, with reference to 180 meridian, the day and date is always ahead by 1 day in the west of international date line than the day and date running in the east of international date line. Although the ideal is drawn with the reference to 180-degree meridian, International date line is not a straight line like 180-degree meridian. In order to pass ideal only on ocean area, the ideal is turned to east or west of 180 degree. Hence, ideal is not a straight line. In other words, ideal is drawn in such a way to avoid passing over the land. So students, I hope you have understood what is international date line and what was the need for international date line. So that's all in this part of the lesson. See you in the next part with the remaining portion of this lesson. Thank you for watching this video.